Hi, I'm Ed Del Grande, and I'm often asked, what's one of the best investments I could make in my home? Well, as far as I'm concerned, a standby generator is a great investment. Standby generators can protect your home and family by keeping the power going no matter what the weather is doing. While we can all benefit from a standby generator, many of us should make it a top priority. For instance, if you have a home office and you need to keep that internet going, or if you have special need family members living at home, like the elderly or young children, you want to keep things like your air conditioning and heating systems going. In my case, I have a well pump, so I want to keep my water on too. If you do a lot of traveling, you want to keep your security systems up and running. And finally, if you live in a storm-prone area or experience frequent power outages, a standby generator should be a top priority. Standby generators are installed outside the home, much like a central air conditioning unit, and they could be used on older homes or new construction. They also run on propane or natural gas, so there's no manual refueling. A key component to this system is the transfer switch. The transfer switch will automatically start your generator so it can power up your home in seconds, whether you're home or away. Once running, the generator will power anything in your home without the need for extension cords. This includes things like your lights, TV, and most importantly, the home's critical systems. Well, I've shown you the basics of a standby generator system. For more information, you can visit KohlerGenerators.com.